guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Unnati. So today I'm going to show you all my shoes collections. So here you go. Ta-da! So let's get started. So first I'm going to start with heels. So I used to love heels in my childhood and I was obsessed with pointed heels, but then I realized it's so uncomfortable to wear. Then I shifted to wedges. So this is my most used wedges. This is how it looks like. It's from Truffle Collection. Most of my shoes are from Truffle Collection because they have very good collection, and yeah, it's a good brand, and even shoes are very comfortable to wear. So even if this is high heels, you won't feel uncomfortable. Must have in your closet. And then this one right here. So this is very unique pair of heels and it's very rare color. I haven't seen a lot of people wearing this. So this is again from Truffle Collection. It has transparent heels at the back, and again the heel shape is very different, as you can see. Look at this. I didn't got to wear this a lot of times. I just wore it once, I guess, but I love this. Again, this is my favorite one. Next will be this. So this is like transparent heel. I wanted transparent heels from so long, and then I finally bought this. This one is from Catwalk and it's like Cinderella type, you know. It goes in every outfit. So let me shift here now. This pair of heels is my most favorite, and it's velvet material and it has a bow at the back. And it's very catchy. I wear this mostly in parties and people keep asking me, where did you get this from? And I'm like, I'm not gonna tell you. So yeah, I'm going to tell you where is this from. So it's from Hooves. I don't think now you can get this. I wear this in winters because, you know, it has fur and again it's nude color. And I ordered this from Myntra. Oh, if you're confused and you don't know what to wear, so I have a solution for you. Wear a basic pair of wedges. So this is from Catwalk. It's really comfortable and it again goes with everything. So you can wear this anytime. So I guess yeah, that's pretty much it. One more thing. So I even like this. It's very cool. It goes with denims very well. So yeah. I uploaded a picture on my birthday on Instagram, so you must have seen this heels. It's very blingy, and so I wear this only in special occasions. Let's move on to the shoe section. Okay, so where to start from? This must have shoes in your closet. It's full white, so it has satin lace and also it has heels at the back. It's very pretty and very basic as well. I wear this in malls mostly because it's so comfortable. Not okay, so I used to wear in malls because of COVID. We can't go out and malls are closed. It's very funky and very colorful as well. It has like print over here. It's very cool. Okay, so this is from Skechers. Skechers has the most amazing and comfortable pair of shoes. White shoes, basic, but it has like strips over here. It's from Tommy Hilfiger. This goes if you wear some casual outfits. My most favorite, and I just love this shoes. It's from Guess. It's very blingy, so it has beads at the back, and so it's like my dancing shoes as well because it's comfortable and also it's very catchy. I love this. What else should I show you guys? It's denim sneakers. This one I can show you guys. It's very rough and tough shoes. So again, this one right here is my dancing shoes. So obviously you can't dance in heels, so I wear this mostly in parties. So it has like diamonds and it gives you whole the party look. So I love this as well. It's very comfortable And yeah, that's pretty much it. We are done with the shoes and heels collection, and now the last section is my boots collection. So I don't have a lot of boots, but I have few of them which are my favorite, so I'm gonna show you guys that. I didn't got a chance to wear this a lot of time, but this is my favorite. All my shoes are my favorite and very close to my heart. I am a shoe lover, so yeah. So it goes like up till knees. It's high boots and it's leather and it's from Pavis, England brand. I love this brown color. I really want to wear this now. So let's see when I'll get the chance again to wear it. It's from Tremor. Earlier I used to shop a lot from Tremor. Boots you can wear anytime and anywhere. Like I mostly wear this when I go to farmhouse or for birthdays. It's really cool. It's lovely, elegant. I uploaded a picture on my Instagram. You can check that out. So a lot of you asked me about these boots. So now you know. So keep watching if you guys want to see me wearing my favorite pair of shoes.